Welcome to Dental Health 365. Are you tired of that sharp, annoying pain when you eat something hot or cold? Do sweet treats make you cringe instead of smile? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sensitive teeth. We'll explore why it happens and, more importantly, how you can fix it. So, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more dental tips that can help you achieve a healthier smile. What is tooth sensitivity? Tooth sensitivity, also known as dentin hypersensitivity, is a common dental issue that affects millions of people. It occurs when the protective layers of your teeth are worn down, exposing the inner layers called dentin. This leads to increased sensitivity when exposed to hot, cold, sweet, or acidic foods and drinks. Common symptoms. 1. Sharp pain when eating or drinking hot, cold foods. 2. Discomfort when brushing or flossing. 3. Sensitivity to sweet or acidic food. Common causes of tooth sensitivity. Let's look at the top reasons why you may be experiencing tooth sensitivity. Brushing too hard. Many people believe that brushing harder cleans better, but it can wear down the enamel and cause gum recession. Tooth decay or cavities. Cavities can expose the inner layers of your tooth, leading to sensitivity. Gum recession. When gums pull back, they expose the sensitive root surface. Teeth grinding, bruxism. Grinding your teeth can wear down the enamel and cause sensitivity over time. Acidic diet. Foods and drinks like citrus fruits, soda, and vinegar can erode enamel. Teeth whitening products. Overuse of whitening products can also lead to sensitivity. How to fix tooth sensitivity? Now that we understand the causes, let's explore effective ways to fix and manage tooth sensitivity. Switch to a soft bristled toothbrush. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and gentle strokes to protect your enamel and gums. Use desensitizing toothpaste. Desensitizing toothpaste contains compounds like potassium nitrate or stannous fluoride, which block the nerves and reduce sensitivity. Maintain proper oral hygiene. Brush twice a day and floss daily to prevent plaque buildup and gum recession. Avoid acidic foods and drinks. Limit your intake of acidic foods, or rinse your mouth with water after consuming them. Wear a mouthguard for bruxism. If you grind your teeth, a custom-fitted mouthguard can protect your enamel. Visit your dentist regularly. Your dentist can recommend treatments like fluoride varnish, bonding, or even a gum graft if needed. Some natural remedies may also help alleviate sensitivity. 1. Saltwater rinse. Rinse your mouth with a warm saltwater solution to reduce inflammation. 2. Aloe vera gel. Apply a small amount of aloe vera gel to the affected area for its soothing properties. 3. Green tea. 4. Rinse with unsweetened green tea, which has anti-inflammatory benefits. Tooth sensitivity can be frustrating, but with the right care and habits, you can manage and even eliminate it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Dental Health 365 for more expert dental advice. See you in the next video, and remember, a healthy smile is a happy smile.